what's going to happen. So for those reasons, the market is
Yo! Yo! Move! Move! Let's go! Let's go!
My window up, please.
Don't worry about it. Go to the top. Go to the top. Go to the top. Go to the top.
Like I want him to do stuff on the vehicle.
You came into my lane. You came into my lane. Why is your window down?
I'm trying to put it up, and you won't put it up.
It's on video.
Don't move. Don't move. She's gonna stay in the fucking way. She's gonna make you hit her.
That's fine.
Did record it. I can't put my fucking window up.
I'm gonna get out of the road.
No, we're getting out of the road! Stop! We're getting out of the road! We're getting out of the road! Relax! Let's get out the... Yeah, we are! Get out of the way! We won! Ah!
Congratulations.
What? You went in a turning lane and went straight. I didn't hit your car. What? Okay, well, I literally didn't do anything. You're the one out of your car.
¿Va a lonchar ya?
No, después
¿No querés?
vamos a hacer el trabajo.
Yo no he comido.
Vamos a
Yo
hacer
tengo hambre.
solo,
Qué pedo, man. ¿Qué onda? What happened?
Dude, get the f*** out the road, you dumb sack of shit. They break your legs. Touch my car again. You're 2 seconds from that beard.
What?
You see the fucking speed bump, right? Slow the fuck, bro.
You gotta check your mirrors, dog.
Slow the fuck down, bro. You're the second person to do that right now.
Mirrors, dog.
Now I
Do you need to have heard it? It's got Bruno Mars in it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm confused because it has 3 like really well-known artists, but
I've never heard of
What the
it.
oh my god! Hey.
Holy shit.
Oh my god! What just happened? No.
Holy shit.
Good.
Oh my god.
The fuck, huh?
Really? Really?
What?
Oh my god.
There was nobody there.
Oh my god. Dave, really?
Relax. People are crossing. They're trying to get to the game.
I didn't
Okay,
see
the
people.
crosswalk is blocked off. I don't have officers out here yet. Just relax. Have you ever pulled out in front of somebody?
I understand.
Yes, you
It's a
have.
reaction also to hit the horn when someone
Just
pulls out in front of you.
Just relax. Just relax. Okay? Thank you. You're welcome.
You have a good day now.
Oh my god. What a dick.
Daddy?
What, baby?
Daddy?
What, baby?